Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to decorate a Nestor tree. Firstly, choose a large, opaque jug or vase to keep the stem hidden. Use anchor tape to create a grid structure across the top. The grid should form small square holes for inserting the twigs. Start with willow, inserting the stems into the grid to create structures. Next, weave in twisted willow to add texture and movement. Adjust the branches until you're happy with the shape. Take natural moss and gently weave it between the stems. This helps hide the tape while adding a lush organic look. Begin with the heavier ornaments like felt ducks, sheep, hares, or chickens. Place these on the strongest branches for support. Hang lightweight baubled filled with cool eggs, fresh flower heads, mini nests. Carefully crack eggs and empty the insides. Make small holes in the side of the thread ribbon through and fill the eggshells with mini flowers before hanging. Just scatter quail eggs and mini colored eggs on the moss base and gently press them into the moss to keep them from rolling off. Your Easter tree is now complete. This makes a perfect centerpiece for dining table or a lovely addition to your spring decor. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.